Even here, I wanted to go for skill development in a big way. Required skills I can provide. And I am requesting all of you to recruit local people as far as possible. You are doing that. 90% you are doing that. But they brought one act, 75% mandated for local people. This type of things may not help us. By creating competitive spirit, skill development, automatically compared to other states' persons, here labor and productivity is more efficient. You will engage local people only. This type of acts also we are reviewing. We will take some action. Finally, some of the industrialists, at least you are here. Every year, our fire department, they are giving permission every year. I used to give once in 5 years. I used to introduce so many regulations at that time, deemed class also. Sometimes some officer may not give permission. Then you have to go on meeting him all these things. Okay, one year, my application I have given 30 days. After 30 days, deemed permission clause I introduced. Even today, straight away, I am telling you, fire department, all industries, not every year, I will restore once in 5 years, they have to renew it. Then only freeness will come, easy way of doing business will come. Last time, if you can go, you can recollect. Ease of doing business, we are number one. Not 1 year. 4 years, we are number one continuously. During my tenure, nobody can compete with me on ease of doing business, other states. Always somebody is doing better, I will do still better. There is a scope. That is how we have to compete. Now I am talking of speed of doing business, not only ease of doing business, you have to go for speed of doing business. How to speed it up? Your renewals, permissions, or service, any services you have to provide, all these things I want to do it. And also cost of production, cost of logistics reduction. How to do it? Cost effective solutions, how to bring it. This also will focus, and ultimately Andhra Pradesh will be a preferred and also very good destination for all of you. Once you land in Andhra Pradesh, you will be very happy, you will be safe, and you will get better profits compared to any other area. That is how we want to create this place. I really appreciate all of you for giving me this opportunity. We are going to create all policies within another 20 days' time. 100 days. Recently, I called CAI and other business organizations. I spent time with them. Even Tata chairman, Chandrasekhar, has accepted to be the co-chairperson of Investment Promotion Board. I will be the chairperson, you will be the co-chairperson, so that all eminent industrial friends I want to invite, create excellent policies, and also execute all these things and review periodically, so that we will have good advantage. So this type of new ideas I am coming here. Anytime you want to meet, you can meet me. We will have a detailed interaction also. If necessary, some more brainstorming. That will help us win-win situation. With this, I'm always, by meeting you, I will forget about my time. But at the same time, I will recollect again. Time is moving. I have to go to some other program. I have to balance everything. With this, I wish all the best. What all I'm doing, I need your cooperation and also your participation. With this, I thank all of you. Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you, sir. You also have become our chief marketing officer, sir. No, I don't think we can even present ourselves better than what you have presented, sir.